Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying your camera type and available inputs. This matters because wired cameras need a reliable power and video run, while wireless may need only power. Next, you find the reverse light positive and a solid chassis ground. Use a multimeter to confirm 12V when reverse is engaged. Then, route the camera cable toward the head unit area following factory grommets. Once routed, secure loose wiring with zip ties to prevent chafing and interference. Next, you connect the video feed. Plug RCA into the monitor or use the OEM interface adapter to integrate with factory screens because proper signal matching prevents noise. Then splice the camera power to the reverse trigger so the camera powers only when reversing. Make a solid crimp or solder joint and insulate it. Route the video cable away from high current lines to reduce interference, and test the video image and reverse-triggered power while the car is safely in park and on a lift or jack. Finish by anchoring the camera and reassembling trim so wires stay hidden. Use a bead of silicone on exterior mounts to seal and prevent vibration. Once reassembled, adjust the lens so the bumper and horizon are visible, and verify guidelines align with vehicle center. If you see no image, first confirm 12V at the reverse wire with the car in reverse. Next, probe RCA continuity back to the head unit, and then ensure a solid chassis ground. Those 3 checks solve most failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.